internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have January's Zenpop unboxing video for you. I'm so excited for this. I'm filming this a little bit more ahead of time just because of the scheduling, but you'll probably see this, I think, end of January. Essentially, this is a New Year's box, so a little delayed for this video, but at the time I'm unboxing this, it's still, I think it's still, we're just about to hit New Year, so very relevant for me. So yes, first of the month, January 2023. Here's the QR code if you want to follow along at home. Okay, so this is all about new resolutions. At least that's what the website is calling this particular kit. So I just noticed like washi tape, so I'm like, let's just get into it. They're very similar. Let me just unwrap this so that there isn't as much reflection, because it is a sunny day today. Summer in Australia, so it's actually quite hot. Oh, okay, actually, rather than taking this out of the box, you can see these are more like flake washi tapes, where you can just get little stickers made out of washi tape, and then this is an actual tape. Like, the theming is really similar, but they're definitely not the same either. It's just this very traditional theme. So we have that. Then this looks like a miniature notebook. Yeah. A teeny tiny notebook. Oh, it's so cute. It is the cutest notebook. Oh, yeah, the paper is really smooth. It's beautiful. Especially crafted from Kyoto, apparently, according to the insert. And then we have die cut stand. Oh, okay. I wonder if these are like post-it notes. I love the Lucky Charm cat. Oh, right. Yes, they're basically just like individual, like not super thick cardboards. And what you can do, you know what, I'm going to take one off so I can show you guys. So peel this off. Probably write a note somewhere, probably here, and then this cat just sticks up, and then it just stands on someone's desk like this. I think it's such a nice way. Like, if I was running like a business where I had employees and stuff, I would put this on their desk when they come back from the holidays, because I think it's just such a nice greeting, and it kind of wishes and brings luck into the business. Oh my gosh, literally we just saw this one in an Inku unboxing video. It's pretty much the same thing. It's an omamori charm, but it's an eraser, a teddy bear eraser. I literally have it here. So I have two different colors now. That's so funny. And oh, it's like a magnet. This is Luna? I'm not quite sure. I keep forgetting the character's name, but it's a really beautiful magnet, just welcoming in the new year with all the traditional stuff. Oh, I was in Japan a few years ago to welcome in Christmas and the New Year, and I had the most fun. And hopefully, if things go to plan, end of 2023, I will be back in Japan, this time with Violet and Jimmy and Bubs, to celebrate the New Year and Christmas in Japan again. I'm really looking forward to that. Oh, look at these clips. They're like metallic clips of very notable, like Temple and Midori. These look beautiful. They're pretty thin, so they may be a little fragile, but maybe they're better just like bookmarking certain pages in your planner, as opposed to using it excessively, taking it on and off, because I could see these getting bent very quickly. But how amazing are these? These are so, I love this one, the Sakura, so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm actually really excited about this one. Oh, happy birthday. It's a happy birthday card. You know who would really appreciate this? I instantly know Violet, because she loves all these sort of charms. It'd be a really nice birthday card to write for her. I think I'm going to save it for her, and I don't think she watches these videos, so she won't know. Oh, and we have a pen, which I will try at the end. And then we have, oh, a little Mount Fuji post envelope. Okay, so I think the idea is that, can you see inside there's Mount Fuji? If you put this in with the shiny side facing Mount Fuji, I think the whole idea is that, oops, when someone opens it, so they're going to open it here, pull it open, and then Mount Fuji will pop up. So it's going to be a little like this, where the Mount Fuji shape will pop up, and because you've got the silver paper underneath, it reflects it, so it's like on the water. That is so cool. But I'm not actually going to do this because I actually want to save this. This is going to be such a cool gift for someone. All right, that is everything in the January box. Let's go test out that pen. You know what? I already had this up, so I'm like, let's use it. Oh, it's really, really thick. 1.5. Do I even have a pen that is 1.5? That's like very, very thick. Oh, whoa. It's like a marker, guys. It's a gel pen, but a marker. And it's super thick. And there's a little bit of shadow through, but you can barely see it. This is actually really cool because sometimes I don't like using my markers. I find that the ink is not always consistent, so this is very, man, I don't have anything this thick. All right, cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.